My name is Chris Turner. I am a sales engineering manager at Salesloft. Salesloft is a sales engagement platform. I'm a leader in the space. As we rolled into this year, we started to do a ton from an enablement standpoint, particularly on the revenue enablement side. And a big requirement for the success of that enablement was the ease of access to documentation. As we started to instill new processes, we wanted to make sure that those processes were supported by the documentation that we would have available to the reps. And so that's when we started the process of actually rolling out GoLinks to the team. Since we started using GoLinks, we have saved over 4,000 hours of time across the organization. I would absolutely recommend GoLinks to another company. If you're looking to streamline the way that you leverage your documentation or best practices, either internally, or if you're a team that's customer facing and you want to be able to quickly share information with the customer, then GoLinks is definitely a solution that I think will be very helpful for you.